build a chicken tractor, and just as Paul said, I'm going out to the garage to get the materials, I was scrolling through Facebook and I found an ad and someone was selling exactly what we were going to build. So we thought we'd save ourselves a few hours. We didn't know if we had all the materials, and we bought this one since it was just around the corner, meaning 30 minutes away. More like 40 minutes actually. But we bought it. They had a beautiful urban permaculture farm. They were on about half an acre, and it was
1 acre.
They were on 1 acre, and it was amazing and productive. They had
turn left onto North Canal Road.
They had so many fruit trees and veggie beds, so much food growing. It was really amazing, and quite a productive system happening with their chickens too. So we spent a little bit of time there talking to them.
Take the second left onto North Canal Road.
It's weird. It really is a canal. Quite nice.
Continue on North Canal Road for 5 kilometres.
So now we've just got to get it home and somehow get it into the massive veggie patch so we can move the Moran chicks in there, so they can start scratching about and manuring a section of the massive veggie patch. So this is the chicken tractor that we purchased. It's just an old swing set that's being converted into a chicken tractor. We may eventually put wheels on it, but for now we'll just pick it up and move it. I think he used a trolley, like a mover's trolley, to move it from spot to spot. So we've got a relatively flat area where we're putting it, so we might be able to do it with the moving trolley. We're going to get the Morans in there tonight. Just gathered all this from the garden. And this too. I'm going to make a salad, like a coleslaw for dinner to go with our rissoles. So the kids come running past with this cat crate and they started taking the chickens down for us.
Yeah, but that's not all of them because Joe can't carry them, so we're doing that.
That's right.
Today we're putting the reins in.
Yeah, we're putting the Marines.
There's one. Here we go. Yep, ready to roll. Come out, Marines. Come out. It's your new home, is that right? Oh, come.
I don't want to come out.
So, what we're going to do, we might
What?
for that.
No, we won't. That's cruel. It's not how you look after animals, guys. Don't.
Oh. It's warm in there. Oi, oi, Aussie, Aussie, oi, oi.
Aussie, Aussie, oi. Guys. Hey, let go now. Let go.
Let go. So, these are... Oh, I just want to get back in.
I just want to get back in.
I don't know why. I just want
Joe, I
to
can
get...
just go and shoot Roxy.
Go on. Okay. Not your business. Roxy.
No, you've got to come out. You've got to. Now you can see the brownie gold. They're all coming out now. There we go. Now we just need to go and do the next load.
Yeah, let's do it.
You want to be a chicken?
We'll never be chicken.
Brotherly love. So this is our permaculture chicken operation. Getting something that is useful for us anyway, because they'll start laying us eggs. but getting them to do the work for us. So getting them to fertilise this, we don't have to move the manure down. Getting them to scratch everything, compost everything. When we've got a bed like this bean bed, when that's complete and we've picked all the beans and peas, we can put the tractor over it and they'll scratch it all up, dig it in for us, digging in the nitrogen rich foliage in, and also fertilising it with their nitrogen rich poop. So there are 20 morans in here, and obviously they're going to grow lots bigger in the next few months, but it's good for them to be able to scratch through, eat all our scraps and compost it in for us. Perfect. So that's it from us tonight, guys. We will see you tomorrow. And I'm hoping that I can pop down here during the day. It's going to be a lovely day, and plant some more of our seedlings. It's taking forever, but we're slowly getting there. See ya.